Hi, this is Shad Darby with LoveToCode.com, and welcome to my course on Java Database Connection. In this course, you're going to learn how to connect to a MySQL database with Java. I'm going to show you how to submit SQL statements to insert, update, and delete your data. I'll also show you some advanced features like using prepared statements and SQL parameters, and then we'll also learn how to call stored procedures with Java. Next, I'll show you how to handle large data with blobs and clobs. And then finally, I'll show you how to configure your database connection parameters using properties files so you can easily change between different databases. All right, so we have a lot of great things in store here for the course. I'm excited, and I hope you are too. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get into the course. I hope you're ready. I hope you're excited. Now, I highly recommend as you go through the material, download the source code, run the source code, connect to your database. If you have any questions or any problems, please post them to the discussion forum. That's where I can help you out. I'm a very responsive instructor. I'll normally respond to your questions within 24 hours. So if you have any problems or questions, please post them. I'm here to help. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the material.